Well, as the police force in the UK struggles to restore public trust in it, the head of the police watchdog in England and Wales has demanded new powers to overcome the trust crisis hit by a series of scandals, saying that if they don't act swiftly, there will be irreparable damage to the institution. The scandals, including the murder of Sarah Everard by WION Cousins, a serving Metropolitan Police officer, and the 48 rape convictions of another Met Police officer, David Carrick, are some of the scandals to have hit the UK police. Now, Cook said such horrific incidents could have been tackled if the police watchdog had the powers to implement its recommendations. The watchdog chief expressed his frustration with the Metropolitan Police Force as UK's largest police force failed to act on warnings of sexual misconduct by police officers. The watchdog urged the UK government to introduce a bill which will make it a legal requirement for the police forces to follow directions from the watchdog. It also demanded a role in the recruitment process as well. The opposition Labour Party says the report is truly damning, while accusing the Conservative Tory government of erring. Alex Izzat has more.
Morning. Do you agree with your colleague Tom Watson?
Mealy-mouthed apology stumbles.
If the watchdog does have its way, there could well be more stringent controls over who gets let into the police and how long a police officer can be within that role after they've had a complaint. Should they be suspended, and what should exactly happen to them? Right now, it's a really long process and it's very quite drawn out. So someone could make a complaint about an officer and it could take months or potentially years before that goes all the way through, and then that officer may not well be sacked. He could just they could just be suspended for a period of time, and all of that time where those complaints may be stacked up, as we had some similar situations with David Carrick there was a number of complaints, but unfortunately he was not suspended in that particular incident. And again with WION Cousins, we saw similar attributes here. So this particular watchdog could come in and say, right, as soon as someone makes a first complaint, the person should be suspended, and then looks to investigate it. That does seem quite simple and straightforward, and it's something that was mentioned in fact early in the year with regards to when we had all of the Metropolitan Police coming face to face in a select committee.